Today we're going to discuss polyesters. Polyesters are one of the condensation polymers that we mainly see in our clothes. How are polyesters made? Well, polyesters they are made when diols are used and when dicarboxylic acids are used. So when diols and dicarboxylic acids are used together. But what are diols and what are dicarboxylic acids? As you can see here, diols are molecules that have two OH groups. They have two hydroxyl groups. However, dicarboxylic acids, they have two carboxylic acid groups, which are C double bond OOH. When diols and dicarboxylic acids, they react with each other, they can form for us the polyesters. Let's take a general example here. So whenever you have a diol that is reacting with a carboxylic acid here, always like condensation polymers, a water molecule will be ejected. So the functional groups on the ends of each molecule, like you see here, will react to form a chain. So here, the hydrogen from the diol will go with the OH from the dicarboxylic acid and they will release a water molecule. Then a bond between the O and carbon will be formed. So as you see here, a bond between the AO carbon double bond, then B carbon double bond, then O, and again molecules like diols and dicarboxylic acid will be sitting next to each other and they will be all interacting with each other to release these water molecules and connect to each other. When they do so, they will form this very long chain like you see here. This is our polyester. Fiberterylene is a polyester where we usually see it in the mats in our houses as you see in this picture. This polyester is made from benzene 1,4 dicarboxylic acid, which is this molecule, and with ethane 1,2 diol. When these two molecules interact with each other, they will form for us the fiberterylene. When these two molecules sit next to each other, the hydrogen from the diol will go and connect with the OH from the dicarboxylic acid, releasing and ejecting an H2O molecule. After that, this polyester will be made. This polyester, which comes from all these repetitive dicarboxylic acid and diols sitting next to each other, they will all release a water molecule and they will form this very long chain. This very long chain is our fiberterylene polyester.